know what it's like to live in one of the most incredible and emblematic buildings, not only in the area of Brickell and downtown, but the entire city of Miami, Florida? In this video, I'm going to show you our exclusive listing on Condo Real Estate, which is a 4-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, almost 4,000 square feet of living space, plus 300 square feet of a beautiful and amazing terrace. Welcome to the Aston Martin building. By the way, I am Stefania Mogolon, your Miami and South Florida real estate agent. So if you're looking to buy a unit like this or any other property in Miami or South Florida, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be here and also on the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move. And maybe this is the unit for you. Rising high above the Miami skyline, the Aston Martin Residences is an architectural masterpiece that redefines luxury living. This exclusive tower offers unparalleled water views and direct access to the city's most vibrant destinations. Standing at an impressive 66 stories, the building houses 391 bespoke residences, ensuring privacy and, of course, exclusivity for its residents. With over 42,000 square feet of dedicated amenity space, it delivers an ultra-luxury experience that blends sophistication with, of course, the energy of Miami. Aston Martin Residences set a new benchmark for the elite waterfront living. From the moment you arrive, the sense of exclusivity is undeniable. The grand entrance with its striking design leads to 2 different lobbies, offering 24-hour valet service and an atmosphere of effortless sophistication. This building has 3 full floors of world-class amenities, designed for ultimate comfort and convenience, and emphasizing in design with this incredible chandelier. One of the most spectacular features is the rooftop pool deck. Positioned high above the city, it offers breathtaking, unobstructed views of downtown Miami, Brickell, Miami River, and the shimmering waters of Biscayne Bay. The 2-story Sky Fitness Center is equally impressive, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, spinning and boxing room included. It transforms every workout into an elevated experience with panoramic city views. And for those seeking relaxation, the spa comes with an indoor pool that provides a tranquil space, complemented by luxury jacuzzis and floor-to-ceiling windows that frame Miami's skyline, as well as a meditation room, sauna, beauty salon, and a barber shop. Beyond that, residents enjoy the convenience of concierge and butler service, private marina facilities, which is rare to find in Miami nowadays, and exclusive beach experiences. Entertainment and leisure are taken to the next level with a private movie theater, a mini golf simulator, a beautifully designed social lounge, Welcome to Unit 2604 in the Aston Martin building. The beauty of this unit is that you got double exposure from south to north. So you have both ocean view and also city view. And like I said, this is a very, very large unit with multiple ways for you to set it up as you desire. Incredible views of the ocean, large space on the common areas, an island in the kitchen, and we're gonna dive deep into each section because this is one of the best layouts here at the Aston Martin. Line 04 is a highly sought-after layout. Currently listed at $5,990,000, it offers 3,536 square feet of interior space plus 300 square feet of terrace, making it one of the most spacious options in the building. This unit features a flow-through design with floor-to-ceiling windows providing unobstructed views of the Miami River and intercoastal water views. With its symmetrical layout and clean, straight corners, the space feels both expansive and well-balanced. Inside, the residence includes a soaring 10-foot high ceilings, the flooring is a premium marble, and the open concept kitchen is fitted with sleek European cabinetry. Additional features include a dedicated staff quarter, an enclosed laundry room, and 2 assigned parking spaces. This brand new and never lived in unit delivers a blend of modern elegance, functionality, and of course, breathtaking water views, all in one of Miami's most prestige addresses. Stepping into the kitchen, of course, you're gonna have top-of-the-line German appliances from Gaggenau, a full wine fridge, an island, and incredible high-quality materials all throughout. Here, you can easily entertain, and if you're a foodie just like me, I don't love to cook, but I love to eat. This is the perfect chef kitchen for you to prepare your most delicious plates and entertain your incredible guests. Now let's take a look at this expansive terrace, seamlessly extending from both the living room and the primary bedroom. Designed for both relaxation and entertainment, this outdoor space offers breathtaking, unobstructed views of the Miami River, Brickell skyline, and Biscayne Bay. With floor-to-ceiling glass doors, the transition between indoor and outdoor living is effortless, filling the space with natural light and fresh ocean air. Whether enjoying a morning coffee, an evening cocktail, or simply taking in the panoramic scenery, this terrace is the perfect extension of luxury living at Aston Martin Residences. Stepping into the primary bedroom, let me just say, the first thing you see to your right is the space for the walk-in closet. You can do anything you want in this space and customize it any way you want. The beauty of the primary bedroom is that, of course, you have the incredible water view that only the Aston Martin has. So as soon as you wake up, you're gonna have this incredible view, and you'll also have a door that leads to the terrace. So you can step out of the bed and walk right into the outdoor area. Now into the primary bathroom, into the primary suite spa oasis that this residence has. Of course, you're gonna have double vanity and LED mirror. Of course, for the makeup lovers, we need this type of mirror. And the best part is that it's an inclusive tub and shower area. So I'm gonna step in even with my heels because I wanna show you that while you have your amazing bath, you can be looking out to the ocean and the bay. You also have double rain shower and a handheld sprayer. This is the complete space that you need for your personal oasis. And this has been all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did because this residence is certainly unique. So if you're interested in this property or any other property in Miami or South Florida, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Stephanie McGowan, your local Miami and South Florida real estate agent. All my information is gonna be here. Send me a text, send me an email, or give me a call because I will be more than happy to help you make the move, especially if it's the Aston Martin building.